Hello, this is me, Edwin Núñez, for the task of artwork for English Class 4th. Can you see my painting? This is an artwork. If this artwork had more elements, I would write more about it. This is a very good word. Look, if you buy my artwork, you will get a good quality product. I use the top quality products to make this artwork. Have you ever heard the saying, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise? If you wake up early every morning to face life, we have more chance to earn a penny, to survive in this place we are. If you buy my artwork, you will get a special discount, about 10% off. I suppose that you don't buy my painting. Suppose it. If you may say, if I bought my artwork, you would get a unique one, because there isn't another one the same like this. Look at my artwork with all of kind of elements in it. If I sell this artwork, I will buy my mother a house near the sea, with a lot of palm trees around. I am giving you the best reasons to get the best artwork have you ever seen, or have you ever bought in any other gallery, in or abroad of Colombia. Imagine, if you bought my artwork, people that you visit in your house would get a similar one like this from me, one of the best paintings you have ever found in the world. I am sure. Would you buy my artwork? Are you sure? Yes, because it's up to you. But let me tell you, don't miss this opportunity. It's unique in the whole world.